Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. This is video presentation from A group. We are going to present you about pest control with resistant varieties. Before we start the topic, let me introduce our member. The first member is Uliatus Sa'adah Al-Habibah with student number 196. The second member is Syahdani Izzuddin with student number 200. And the last member is Erizal Ardianoval Supriyadi with student number 217.
Pest control with resistant varieties. Resistant varieties are varieties that have the ability to resist pest attacks that are not found by other similar plants at the same attack level. Resistant varieties are a component of integrated pest management (IPM), which determines the success of pest control. Pest control with resistant varieties can be interpreted as a control technique that utilises pest-resistant varieties which is able to resist pests and environmentally friendly. Crop rotation patterns are based on difference in the resistant genus they contain. Plant resistant mechanism. Plant resistant or resistant is a relative definition. To see the resistance of a type of plant, the characteristic of plants that are resistant must be compared with the characteristic of plants that are not resistant or sensitive. The nature of resistance possessed by plant can be in the form of native trait, but can also be due to environmental conditions that encourage plants to be relatively resistant to pest attack. Some experts distinguish plant resistance into two groups, namely ecological resistant and genetic resistant.
Generic resistant. Generic resistant is a resistant trait that is regulated by genetic traits that can be inherited. According to Painter, there are three mechanisms of plant resistance to insect pests, namely, one is non-preference or anti-xenosis. Non-preference is a plant trait that causes an insect to avoid or dislike a plant either as food or as a place to lay eggs. A more appropriate term used for these traits is antixenosis, which means to refuse gas. Antixenosis can be grouped into chemical rejection or chemical antixenosis and morphological rejection or morphological antixenosis. And the second is antibiosis. Antibiosis is a all psychological effect on insect that are detrimental, temporary, or permanent as a result of the activities of insect eating and digesting certain plant tissues or fluids. Symptoms of physiological deviation are seen when an insect is transferred from plant that doesn't have antibiosis properties to a plant that has these properties. Physiological deviation range from the slightest deviation to the heaviest deviation, namely the death of insect. And the third, tolerant. The mechanism of tolerant resistance occurs because of the ability of certain plants to recover from wounds suffered by pests or are able to grow faster, so that pest attack affect yields less than other plants that are more sensitive. Ecological relations or pseudo-resistant. Ecological relations or in other terms, apparent resistant or pseudo-resistant is a plant-resistant trait that is not controlled by genetic factor, but is entirely caused by environmental factor that allow the appearance of that resistant properties to certain pests. Because of its variable nature, plant breeders do not recognize its trait as a true plant-resistant trait. This resistant trait is usually a temporary trait and can occur in plants that are equally sensitive to certain pests. There are three forms of ecological resilience, namely, one, host aviation. Host aviation occurs when the timing of the appearance of certain plant growth phases doesn't coincide with the appearance of the pest stage that is actively consuming the plant. Two, intuitive resistance. The nature of this resistant areas and is driven by the presence of certain environmental conditions so that plants are able to withstand pest attack. The resistance of this impulse occurs partly due to fertilization and irrigation as well as other cultivation technique. And the three was escape. As it is often experienced in a certain place, there is a group of plants that actually have a sensitive nature to a type of pest. But at one time, the plant is not attacked even though the pest population around it at the time is quite high. This doesn't mean that the plant is resistant to pest attack, but the resistant is a state of escape from pest attack.
The rule of pest-resistant varieties on IPM have a role in reducing the population through a faster reduction in the birth rate. Second, increase the effectiveness of IPM because in resistant varieties, the development of insect pest population are slowed down. Third, help to reduce the use of parasitoids, predators, or natural enemies. Fourth, reduce or suppress pest population rapidly. 5. Increase the level of plant damage tolerance. Advantage and negative aspect. Advantage: the use of pest-resistant varieties from an economic perspective is very beneficial for farmers because use of resistant varieties will minimize control costs and reduce residual problems. Negative aspect: resistant varieties are not always compatible with biological control. Indirectly, resistant varieties also adversely affect the biological aspect of their natural enemies. Another factor of great concern is the emergence of new biotypes or races that can break the resistance of a particular variety. Maybe enough from us. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please ask on discussion forum on Spada Wimaya. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.